Hi guys, if you want to know how to make money with video, then you come to the right place. I'm Jay Roberts and this channel is Make Money with Video. I show and upload videos on how to make money on different social media sites using different video creation apps and softwares, guys. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to come and check all the different videos out. All these different tools I show and talk about, I use myself, and this is a different kind of video today, guys, because I normally show how to make money on YouTube and stuff like that, but today I'm going to show you the Kdp method. Now, this stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. It's basically where you upload books to Amazon and you can make money, guys. Now, don't get scared. I'm going to show you just how I do it. I'm new to the game, so this is what I do. I come over to Canva. Yeah, it's a free software. Feel free to check it out. This one, I called it Dog Lovers Christmas Activity Book. Yeah, guys. And I just made lots of different pages, put some copyright on it, put some like plain things on, a few blank pages, yeah, so that you can see how simple they are. Now, you're probably thinking you can't make these, yeah, guys, but if you come over to Google, all I do is type in free KDP interiors, and then you bring up, there's a place called Creative Fabrica, which is awesome, guys. You get lots of free stuff there. Bookbull is an awesome tool, and it gives you lots of free interiors as well. And another one, Bookbird, free KDP interiors. Now that's just three of the main ones I use. Also, is awesome place is Pinterest, guys. Type in free KDP interiors, and you will find lots and lots, guys. So yeah, Google. And that's all you do, guys. Then you come over and you upload them, and then you just create as many pages as you want. This is an activity book, so I've just like done a few different things, yeah. And if you're wondering why I've got blank pages, is because when people color in, it could sometimes seep through, yeah, and then it'll ruin the picture on the other side. So you leave a space, yeah. But I'm not going to go to ins and outs of how to make the book, unless you want me to, guys. Comment below if you want me to show you how I make them and that. Then what you do, guys, you upload it to Amazon KDP, and then they'll review it, and then you look. Lots of different styles of books you can make. You can make notebooks, journals, sketchbooks, word search, crosswords, activity books, coloring books, you name it, guys. So that's what I'll do. Now, if we type in love Christmas, guys. So it's all about Christmas, leading up to that Q4 where everyone starts panicking. And look, guys, it's the first book on there. That's my book. Yeah, I've had 3 reviews already. Only published it on 14th of May, and I've sold at the time, I think I've sold 8, guys. Yeah, so just click on it, and then you're probably thinking, well, you can't upload videos to Amazon, which you're correct, guys. I'm not talking about Amazon. Yeah, let me just scroll down. Let's have a look at the reviews. Yeah, so 5-star reviews, guys. I'm happy with this. And what I do, guys, I don't think I've had any sales off Amazon yet, because what I do, I come over to this. It's called Video Creator, and you can create these like. I'll just open the screen a bit. Yeah. You can create these sort of videos. I'll just play it. Let me just mute it first, guys. Yeah, let's mute it. And it makes this like 3D looking flipbook. You just upload a couple of pages, and then people get to see inside it. Yeah, and they do like this. So I'm just going to come out of that. So I've made a few more different books, and this is Video Creator. I'll leave the link in the description. It's quite a cheap to buy. But if you just look, if you go to create video, you can make all these different videos, all these, yeah. So some of these you can advertise these on your Facebook, on your anywhere, upload it to YouTube, any of your social medias. And this is the one I use. It's called 3D Video for Flipbook. And if you look, that's the one I use. You can scroll over it and it'll show you. You can do one with like a wooden background. Yeah, you can even make this. You've got some like 3D characters. yeah, or like some transparent backgrounds. Look, you can make it like that. Then another one, just advertising your book. So you could use all these guys for your book, yeah, and they're quite cool, aren't they? So you got all these templates, and you can message like businesses and stuff like that if you really want to, guys. And then, guys, once I've made this video, I come over to a place called Etsy, and if you look, here's my dog one, and then you can put video on it, guys. And I made the wooden one. This one, I used all these different images here, guys, down the side here, so it doesn't look as good. But yeah, this is what I do, guys. So I upload it to Etsy. Yeah, as you can see, I upload it to Etsy. I upload it to my Facebook, and that is where I got the sales, guys. Because my family and friends, I got them to share it. They share it with their friends shared it, and then people started liking it and buying it, guys. So I've got 8 sales so far, and I upload it on the 14th. And that is how I make it. It's all down to the video, because people on Facebook watched the video. I didn't upload no images, just the video, and then people shared it, and then people wanted to buy it, and then I give them the link. In fact, I give them the link in the post. I made like a little post and uploaded the video, and then said, here is a good stocking filler, good like gift for Christmas. Check it out, and I left the link, guys, and then people came over and bought it, guys. Yeah, so that is it, guys, for today's video. I hope you like this video, and like I said, if you are interested in this, go over to Google, type in get a few different interiors. You can make all sorts of different books, and then you come over to Canva or whichever app you use. You could use Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe, and feel free, guys. You can use all sorts, but this is a free, and this is all I do, guys. I just upload it and make it your own. Yeah, it's dead simple, guys. Dead simple. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up and comment below if you would like me to make any more videos regarding KDP. This channel is mainly about making money with video, but if I can use the videos to drive sales to the KDP, even better, guys. I'm still making money with video and also making a passive income elsewhere. Yeah, it's all about the passive income, guys. So please give us a thumbs up, and if you've not done so already, please subscribe and check out all these other videos, guys. Until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.